Hey, this is Scott Trees over here at GT Imports Automotive Repair here in Riverside. I'm going to share with you some tips about oil quality that could save you thousands of dollars over the lifetime of your vehicle. Tip number one, use a good quality oil. With new engine technologies, tolerances are more narrow and precise. And when oil breaks down, it affects these new engines more than it did with old engine technology. Tip number two, service intervals. It's important to keep up on the maintenance and the service intervals on your vehicle and doing it on time so that we can prevent oil thickening and sledging, which in turn causes problems with your vehicle. Tip number three, when you're using a high quality engine oil, it's not going to break down as fast as a lower quality oil, and it's going to cause less oxidation and engine wear for your vehicle. These are just some of the benefits that you'll get when you use a high quality oil and when you stick to your proper maintenance intervals. Come see us today for your performance oil change and vehicle evaluation here at GT Imports Automotive Repair.